Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, relationship, and career situation, Gemini. I'll be picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And one card from the fairy tale oracle, so that is your guidance for today, so that may answer some questions you have in your situation, Gemini. So you can think about your situation before we turn the cards, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start with the general reading. I have King of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and Five of Swords in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Gemini, you are a very talented person, creative. You have lot of skills and abilities. Whatever you do, you are able to do it in the right way, and people greatly appreciate you for your efforts, your kind nature, and you are a very talented person. So whatever you do, you uh, do it successfully, and things go in a positive way for you in your career and even in your personal life, guys. And Gemini, today there is some kind of collaboration you are moving towards, maybe a business partnership or a collaboration with another business, or it may be with people you are working. So some kind of what to say, um, you are going for that teamwork today, guys. So some kind of teamwork is there in your situation, or you are taking it up for your own benefit, or it may be a new relationship, a new person coming in. They are, or it may be this person you are already in connection with, but you are going for that deep bond, or that next level of connection. So you are taking that next big step. Maybe you are getting engaged or getting married to this person. So that is what I see, guys. But though you have skills, talents, and things are going in a positive way, maybe in your personal life or in your career situation, there are certain things not going right. Maybe a few minor stress or worries you may have, because something may not go up to expectation. So some kind of worry because of that, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energy. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We pick the card for your relationship. So we have Queen of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy. So this person you are in connection with, they are not really showing their true face to you. So maybe they are having certain inhibitions. Maybe they are intimidated by your success, or by the way you are in your life. You may be quite a successful person and well settled. So they don't want you to know the truth about them. So they are putting up a mask, or hiding something from you, or posing as someone different, maybe hyping their their status, or their life in some way. So they are not willing to show you the truth. Maybe they are just intimidated by you, but I think they have love and they want to be with you. But if they um, overcome this inhibition with that freeness, that openness, they will be willing to tell you everything about them, guys. Or maybe for some of you, you are in a new relationship. That may be the reason we see this energy here with this card. So maybe you know them or they know you only now for a few days. Maybe it takes time for them to open up. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Seven of Pentacles. So with this card in your career situation, it just means that you have achieved certain goals for yourself and you have dreams and aspirations. And today you are thinking what should be done next. You are waiting for the next chance or waiting for your next move, guys, in your career situation, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the fairy tale oracle card for you. It is the little matchstick girl. The little match girl. And it means choice. So with this card, guys, Gemini, in your situation, this card just stands for hope and compassion. So in our situation, maybe we may have someone in need of help, in need of our help. So we should not avoid them. We should not turn ourselves away from them. Today, maybe we should be ready to help them, guys. Maybe it may be someone from our family or our friend circle. So we should not turn away from that hardship or sadness, whatever they are suffering. And we must remember that they are just like us, but they are less fortunate and less blessed at the present moment. But if we help them with some kind of support, maybe it can be a verbal guidance, it can be love shown to them, some kind of, it may be even a small help which gives them comfort. It is going to bring great change in their life, guys. It is going to light the dreams and hopes they have in their heart. So this card stands for that. Guys, maybe in your life you have faced a great loss. Maybe someone has left you, maybe, or you have seen some death and you are suffering a lot because of that. Maybe it is time that you heal yourself, or there is someone coming to help you heal from the situation, guys. Give you that warmth and love that you most need today. Or it may be someone else's energy and you are in that position to heal someone, and it stands for that fortitude, courage and love we must have towards everyone in our situation, guys. And we must remember those loved ones which give us comfort. So when we think of some friends or family who are no longer with us, their memories just gives us so much happiness. So maybe you are thinking about them also, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today. I hope this reading resonates, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.